Hi friends, once again welcome back to our channel. This video particularly for COVID 2.0. And what is COVID 2.0? COVID-19 vaccine in the second phase is launched from tomorrow onwards. People can register online, book service slot appointments online. So we will in this slide, in this video, we are going to look at the highlights of that and what are the things you have to know before registering the appointments online. The appointment video window will open in hours from now. I will upload another video on how to live book the appointment, and this you should know before booking the appointment. So what are the things you have to know? The second phase of COVID-19 vaccine, who are getting those things vaccines? People above 60 years and those who are above 45 with comorbidity. So if you are above 60, you have to belong, you are already belonging to the category, and if you are above 45, you should have some comorbidity. So what is the comorbidity? Second point says comorbidity simply means more than one illness or disease you are having or the person is having at the same time. So as per third point, the person who is above 45 with comorbidity is supposed to upload any medical certificate stating or supporting their comorbidity. Now what is another thing you have to know? Where you will be getting vaccinated, whether it is free. So government facility vaccine is free, and for private vaccine charge is 250 rupees, and out of that 150 is for vaccine, 100 is for service charges. So person while booking the slot or registering, as per availability you can choose either government facility or private facility. Now how appointments will be booked online, that is through COVID 2.0 website. We will show you the highlights of that shortly. Now one more thing you have to know is option to choose government or private, that I have already told you. COVID 2.0 is getting launched in hours, and that will have GPS enabled and other functionalities where you can select either government or private as per slot availability and book it as early as soon as possible. Okay. So now let us quickly see what are the things to know before booking the appointments online. I will take the government notification and only highlights of those notification will be explained. So friends, what you can see on the screen, this is the COVID government website, covid.gov.in, and as of now it's 1.0 version. In hours from now 2.0 will be updated. And what are the things? Get your COVID vaccine certificate. You can get your COVID vaccination certificate three methods. One is through Arogya Setu app, the other is through DigiLocker, and the other is through COVID website, what you are seeing on the screen. This is either or any of this. Okay, so this is one of the highlights. This is applicable for anyone who has taken the vaccine. Now how it works, how the 2.0 is going to work from tomorrow. First you have to register to get vaccinated. Okay, registration can be done on the same website what you are seeing on the screen, and while registering you have to give your mobile number, Aadhaar number, or any other identity document. I will show you in detail after some time. Now after getting vaccinated, how you have to book the center and go there and get vaccinated. Once the vaccination is done, you are going to get the certificate or download the certificate from here or any of these three methods: Arogya Setu, DigiLocker, or COVID. Okay, now let us quickly see what are the highlights here. This is the guidance document, as you can see from government website. I have downloaded this. It's a bigger document, but I will explain only the annexure which is important for online registration. Citizens will be able to register and book the appointment for vaccination using COVID 2.0 portal or through Arogya Setu. So you have two options: COVID 2.0 portal or Arogya Setu. I will upload another video showing this live booking. Now in this, another point you have to take care is any person will be able to register at COVID portal through their mobile number. So this is the one user creation has to be done, and OTP verification will be done here. So that is very important while giving your mobile number. After registration, an account will be created for you in the COVID 2.0 portal, and the login will be through using your mobile number. And with one mobile number you can add 4 beneficiaries, as you can see on the screen. Okay, this is directly from government notification. ID card for each beneficiary should be different. So one person register mobile, but 4 registration can be done. Mobile number cannot be used for making more than 4 registration. One mobile number maximum allowed is 4 registration. You can do it for anyone. Now till the time of vaccination, all the records and registration can be edited or deleted, but once you get vaccinated, what the person getting vaccinated, you cannot change the data online. What are the details to be captured during registration? What are the things you have to furnish tomorrow while giving booking? ID card, ID number, name, year, birth and gender. These are mandatory things you have to book. You have to enter in the website. Now what are the other things you have to take care? For any of this photo ID proof can be done as an ID card. Aadhaar, electoral, passport, driving, PAN card or smart card or pension document. Any of this can be accepted online. Okay, so we have to upload it. I will show you in the other video. Once details are recorded by beneficiary, registration is completed, and once you have completed registration, you will get a token slip acknowledgement in your mobile as an SMS that you can take a printout also, which can be shown while taking the vaccination, or you can keep it as a proof of you are booking the slot, because you have to carry this document there so that you don't need to wait in queue. Okay, you have even walk-in option, but I would say better book and go. Beneficiary will be able to choose book a slot for vaccination according to his preference and convenience, but live appointment also is allowed. Live appointment will be allowed, and it all depends on the open slot and vacancies. So if you are booking online, you can choose any slot according to vacancy. Vaccine type will not be disclosed at the time of appointment. Online, when you take appointment, the vaccine type will not be displayed. Okay, but you can choose your center as per your convenience, but availability should be there. Second dose will be scheduled according to, once you have done with the first shot dose, the second will be details will be given you at the 29th day of date of appointment. So those things they will be mentioning there once you have taken first dose. Okay, so there is some calculation before 29th day and 42nd day and after 29th day and stuff. You can read it through here. Now what are the other things you have to know is if you cancel, okay, beneficiary cancel first dose of appointment, then both will be cancelled, because without taking first dose you cannot take second dose. So first you have to take the first dose. As you can see, next video I will show you how to book the appointment online for this. Now option for cancellation of second dose appointment will not be available. So only second dose you can't cancel, okay, because first you have already taken, so you cannot do that. Appointments for any date for vaccination center will be closed. Okay, till 3 p.m. only appointment is available. That's okay. Now these two things are also important. Vaccination will be provided subject to verification of identity. You have to take your identity card there, they will verify it. Event of cancellation, you have to reschedule your appointment from the beginning, so you cannot modify it. You have to reschedule it if you cancel it. Now beneficiary will be advised to carry all these things. If you have Aadhaar, surely take it, otherwise the photo ID whatever you uploaded online, and also you can take your mobile phone which is registered, because they might ask you the details of SMS and stuff. So carry these things, Aadhaar card if you have, and photo ID card which you have uploaded online or enter the data online by booking the slot, and also carry your mobile number registered. So thank you so much for watching. Next video in some hours we will upload how to book the slot online for COVIN 2.0 website, because that is not yet launched or rolled out. It will be rolled out in hours together. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. See you with another video on the same thing. Thank you so much.